Welcome students. First of all, today I wish to congratulate those students who will be promoted in class 11th after the declaration of result tomorrow. And today in this online session we will take up a poem from class 11th, that is a photograph written by Shirley Tulson. She had written this poem in memory of her dead mother. First of all, let us see line by line explanation. Before we start, let me tell you what a photograph does. It captures a moment and emotions felt at that time. One day, poet finds a photograph of her mother pasted on a cardboard. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girls' cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands. And she, the big girl, some 12 years or so, all three stood still to smile through their hair. At the uncle with the camera, a sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born. And the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. So, द कार्डबोर्ड शोज, कार्डबोर्ड ये बता रहा है, दिखा रहा है हाउ इट वॉज, कि कैसे था सब जब वेन द टू गर्ल्स, दो लड़कियां इंक्लूडिंग माई मदर वेंट फॉर पैडलिंग, वो बीच पर पैडलिंग के लिए जाती हैं, ईच वन होल्डिंग वन ऑफ माई मदर्स हैंड, दोनों कज़न ने मेरी मदर का हैंड पकड़ रखा है, एंड शी द बिग गर्ल, और उनमें से बिग गर्ल जो है वो मेरी मदर हैं, सम 12 ईयर्स और सो, जो कि उस टाइम 12 ईयर्स के आसपास थी. ऑल थ्री स्टूड स्टिल, तीनों की तीनों मोशनलेस खड़ी हैं, टू स्माइल थ्रू देयर हेयर्स, जो उनके हेयर्स हैं वो विंड की वजह से स्कैटर्ड ऑन देयर फेस, एट द अंकल, स्माइलिंग थ्रू देयर फेस एट द अंकल विद द कैमरा, और वो स्माइल कर रही हैं अंकल की तरफ देखकर, जो कि कैमरा से उनकी पिक्चर क्लिक कर रहे हैं. अ स्वीट फेस, माई मदर्स, दैट बिफोर आई वॉज बोर्न, मेरी मदर का बहुत प्यारा सा फेस था, और वो तब की बात है जब मैं पैदा भी नहीं हुई थी. एंड द सी विच अपीयर्स टू हैव चेंज लेस, और समुद्र, सी, जो कि हैज़ बीन चेंज वेरी लेस, बहुत कम चेंज हुआ है एज कंपेयर टू दोज हुज terribly transient feet was washed by the sea. Means terribly transient, short or temporary, short-lived or temporary. Let us see literary devices used in these lines. First of all, cardboard shows, personification. Personification मतलब जब हम किसी नॉन लिविंग चीज़ को लिविंग से कंपेयर कर रहे होते हैं. देन स्टूड स्टिल स्माइल, SSS, consonant sound is repeated, so poetic device is alliteration. Then again personification is used in this line, the sea which appears to have changed less. Sea is not living and it is personified here. That's why the poetic device used in this line is also personification. Let us move to next stanza. Some 20-30 years later, she'd laugh at snapshot. See Betty and Dolly. She'd say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter. Both ride with the labored ease of loss. In this line, poet says कि 20-30 years later, when the mother was in 40s, she'd laugh. वो हंसेंगी at snapshot, और कहती है देखो हमें किस तरह से उन्होंने ड्रेसअप किया था बीच हॉलीडे के लिए. एंड द सी हॉलीडे वॉज आवर पास्ट, अब जो हॉलीडे था वो मदर के लिए पास्ट हो चुका था. एंड माइन इज हर लाफ्टर, और मेरे लिए उनकी ये हंसी. बोथ राइव विद द लेबर्ड ईज ऑफ लॉस. ये जो लॉस था दैट वाज अनबियरेबल फॉर बोथ, and it has left a permanent wry on their faces. Now she's been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. Its silence silences. Now she has been dead means her mother is dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, means 12 years हो गए हैं उसकी मदर को मरे हुए. एंड ऑफ दिस सर्कमस्टेंस, और इस सिचुएशन की वजह से, देर इज़ नथिंग टू से एट ऑल, उसके पास कुछ भी कहने को बचा नहीं है. मीन्स देर इज़ नथिंग बट एम्प्टीनेस. Its silence silences. The silence of situation silences her. In other words, her loss has left her speechless. It has killed feeling in her. So, silence silences. Let us look at the literary devices used. Labored is. Here, oxymoron. ये पोएटिक डिवाइस क्या होता है? लेबर्ड मीन्स डिफिकल्टी, ईज मतलब ईजी, मीन्स व्हेन टू opposite words are used to express same entity, then the poetic device is called oxymoron. Then silence silences, ss, repetition of consonant sound, that's why the poetic device is alliteration. So this was line to line explanation and poetic device used in this poem. Now this poem consists of 3 stages. In first stage, the photograph shows the poet's mother standing at the beach enjoying with her 2 girls cousin. She was 12 or so at that time. In second stage, it takes us 20 or 30 years later. The mother would laugh at the way she and her cousins, Betty and Dolly, dressed up for beach holidays. In third stage, poet remembers the mother with heavy heart. The photograph revives nostalgic feelings. This is all about photograph. I hope you have understood the poem. If you have any doubt, you can ask by writing in comment section below. See you again in the next video. Keep watching.